I don't know.
Oh my god, what are you doing? What if he saw that? Oh, I'm gonna vomit.
Don't vomit on me.
I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. How do you think everybody will think? Do you think people will like it?
Why can't I find his page of X Depredation?
What is that?
Is it XX or is it X Depredation?
My tooth is sharp. Oh my god, it hurts. There's something sharp in there.
Yep.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? I live in the land of candy. You should come to eat and play in the land of candy canes to me and my kitty. Oh, kitty. Kitty cat.
Anyway.
I'm okay.
You gotta take that one part out of the dude. But anyway, so everyone should go watch this dude's videos. XX Depredation XX.
You can't do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay. Go watch it. It's YouTube.
Screen cap it right there. Right there.
He's hot.
YouTube.com/that thing. See if you want to go there. Right there. And then see that's what it looks like right there.
Yeah.
You like it. You like it.
He likes it.
No, you like it. I like it.
Okay, we all both like it.
Okay.
I don't know. Go watch his videos.